Meaning of egg flip.
Egg flip.
Egg flip.
Egg flip.
Egg flip. Egg flip refers to a type of sweetened hot beverage made with milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and beaten egg. To prepare the drink, the ingredients are whisked together and heated on a stovetop until the mixture thickens and becomes frothy. The resulting drink has a creamy texture and a rich, sweet flavor. It is often served as a warm and comforting drink during colder months or in the evening as a dessert-like beverage. Overall, egg flip is a delicious and satisfying treat that is easy to make at home with a few simple ingredients.